this video that will show you how to listen. How to listen? Huh? I'm sorry, what? Huh? Huh? Listening is the art of using your ears to hear. Ow. Ow. Once you've heard something, then it is just a case of remembering what you've just heard, and that would count as a successful listen. Now, it's extremely important to be able to listen because there are some incredible sounds out there that just need to be listened to. Let us all try and use our ears and see if we can listen to the sounds of the room. It will be great to hear the natural sounds that come from this room, so we will need to be extremely quiet and listen carefully. Okay, let's try that now. Can't hear anything at the moment. That makes it a lot more tricky to listen to stuff. There's no sounds. Wait, let me try a technique. No, that's not working either. Oh, what's going on here? The listening opportunity is not so great in this room. I don't understand. Wait, let me try one other thing. Let's try this. See if this works. This is like last resort, but we'll give it a go anyway. There we go. I can hear sounds now, and I'm able to remember the sounds, so I can listen carefully and remember them. So now that you've learned how to listen properly, I will now play a selection of sounds and we'll see if we can work out what they are and also if we're able to listen to them properly. So let's go with the first one now. Let's see. Oh, well, there's no doubt about that one. That's clearly someone who's going to the toilet. I'm sure you got that yourself. It's quite an easily listenable sound. Very pleasant sound too. Right, let's see what we've got next. Oh, what an awful sound! What is this? Oh no, that's terrible. I have to stop that. What we've discovered is that it's not good to perfect your listening skills because then you could end up listening to stuff that you don't want to listen to, and oh, it could ruin your eardrums. Mine are a little tainted. Oh dear. Oh, that was really unpleasant. Okay, let's try something else. Hopefully we can find something that is a little more pleasing to the ears. Let's try this one, okay? Oh. Oh, that's a lot more pleasant. I think it's some kind of animal. Can't work out exactly what that is. What kind of animal makes a meowing sound? Maybe like a giraffe or something. Oh, it's nice, whatever it is. I like that. I'm able to listen to it and it is good. That's a good one. Right, next one. Okay, I think we've listened to enough sounds now. Hopefully from listening to these sounds and the various techniques that I've showed you about listening, you too will be able to improve and develop your listening skills. I know that listening to stuff like this has certainly improved my listening skills and also my IQ, and I'm sure it will do the same for you as well. Just keep going with it. Now I'm going to go off and see if there are any other sounds that I can listen to. Maybe I'll discover a brand new sound that has never been discovered before. So I'll catch you all later and see what the world has to offer with the sounds. See you. So what other sounds could I listen to? That's a tricky one. Oh, wait a minute. I can listen to the sound of my voice. Wow, if I speak, I can listen to it at the same time. What a discovery! My goodness. Oh, this could be the best sound of all time. It's going straight to the ears, and I'm listening. That's amazing. Oh, what a amazing find this is. Wow. So I've just found another sound that I've been listening to. Let's see if you're able to listen to it as well. Subscribe to Random Idiot. You know you want to. That could be the greatest sound of all time. I could listen to that all day. Subscribe. Subscribe. Yes, please. Please subscribe. Subscribe to Random Idiot. Subscribe. Please. Please. Subscribe. I've replaced the outro music to this. Let's find out what sounds better in the comments section.